30 Amazon Kitchen Gadgets you need on Amazon in 2023. Kitchen Cutter Salad Veggie Scissors. Stainless steel blade combined with a comfortable ergonomic handle for easy food. And vegetable slicing. The attached center spring is tempered for long-lasting cutting. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Pot Strainer. The specially designed clips easily snap on to round pots, pans, and bowls of all sizes, including lipped bowls, save time by straining, while the food stays in the pot. Rosius Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Are you looking for smart kitchen gadgets for pepper grinding? Rosius Salt and Pepper Grinder set must be a perfect choice. No twists. Runs on batteries, so has more power than rechargeable ones. Just simply flip the grinder, and you will get fresh ground S. Airtight Food Storage Container Set. These durable square containers have been specially designed to minimize space. They are stackable and will easily fit into your refrigerator and freezer, which enables you to get the kitchen organized and frees up space in the pantry. Perfect for storing solid foods such as flour, grains, beans, nuts, sugar, snacks, noodles, coffee beans and tea, and also perfect for holding liquids such as water, drinks, soup, etc. The plastic of these containers is very clear. You can identify the contents without opening them. Kumo Multi-Purpose Silicone Matte Beautiful Offset Curve. Raised edges designed for easy grabbing. Deep grooves designed for distributing heat immediately. Allows you to fetch out the food immediately after heating. Not too hot, no need to wait. Can be as microwave mat, trivets, dish drying mat, utensils rest, baking mat, jar opener, coffee coaster, splatter guard, food cover, hot pad for kitchen counter. EDC. Vegetable Chopper, the latest multifunctional vegetable chopper. And Slicer Chop, dice, slice or grate. This vegetable chopper is a practical kitchen tool. The vegetable chopper offers multiple functions in one highly versatile kitchen gadget. The onion chopper is made of top quality materials, such as high quality stainless steel blades and food grade materials. The vegetable chopper can cut most types of vegetables and fruits. Meat Chopper. Our meat chopper tool with 5 wide beveled pinwheel blades, which is easier to chop and crumble food than other products with 3 or 4 blades. This meat masher can not only chop all kinds of meats for quick cooking, but is also very suitable for mixing and mashing other foods, such as gelatin, fruits, vegetables, etc. Zulay Stainless Steel Garlic Press Rocker. Tired of getting garlic all over your hands and workstation? This innovative kitchen gadget saves you time and effort for your marinades and recipes by pressing garlic like it's nobody's business. Mondolini Slicer for kitchen. Our blue slicer vegetable cutter is ergonomic and adopts a handle-type design, which is convenient for us to grasp the control direction and effectively avoid the vegetable cutting machine from moving around, which plays a non-slip effect. IKEA Our Kitchen Utensil Holder. This rotate hook is made of ABS, which is strong, wear-resisting, and has high cycle life, with 6 hooks designed for hanging spoons, shovel, spatula, and other cooking utensils. Biviccio Auto Flip Egg Holder. The first and second layers of the egg holder countertop come with an automatic flip function. Multi-layers kitchen herb scissors. Just 1 pair of scissors, but installed 5 pairs of blades working at the same time. Makes chopping easier and much more efficient than a knife or single blade scissors. Dumpling Maker Fast Make Dumplings or Empanada. No skills required. Put the dough on the dumpling pressing mold. Pull down the handle and press the dumpling skin. Glass Oil Dispenser Bottle Gravity Sensing. The lid automatically opens and closes to dispense oil when pouring the bottle. One-handed operation easily. Silicone Ice Cube Maker can be perfectly stacked in the refrigerator, and the effect is very good. This 2-in-1 ice bucket holds up to 60 ice cubes to provide longer cooling time for bottled beverages. Safe Mondolini Slicer. The upgraded handle automatic rebound after pressing is more labor-saving, and the built-in rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blade is suited cutter for big potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, vegetables, and fruits. Salad Spinner Washing Filter. Use it to drain your pasta and wash your veggies or twist it into a spinner. The pump action handle rotates the spinning colander, drying your produce in a matter of seconds so you don't have to shake or drip dry your salad. Leaves. Sucre Melon Baller Scoop Set. Unique design and function include a melon baller for digging, a carver knife for fruit carving, and to size fruit scooper for removing seeds and digging flesh of fruits and vegetables. Three-stage knife sharpener with our incredible 3-slot system. The first diamond sharpening rod repairs and straightens damaged blades, before the second slot sharpens to restore its V-shape. Finally, the third slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. Rainbow Kitchen Sink Strainer. The retractable Rainbow Kitchen Sink Strainer is an essential tool for every kitchen. It is designed to be convenient and hygienic in use. The strainer ensures that any food and waste are trapped before they get into the drainage system. Food dispenser storage container rotating food dispenser. Stickers with pen and 1 cleaning brush. The dispenser container has a total of 6 grids, which can store about 18 pounds of grains. Our dry food dispenser is white with gold. Stainless steel egg steamer rack. This stainless steel steamer rack for pots can steam 7 eggs at the same time. The egg hole of this steaming rack can hold the egg perfectly, heat evenly, and the eggshell is not easy to break. Self-stirring coffee mug. Just use USB cable to charge self-stirring mug, no batteries required. It can be quickly fully charged in 1.5 hours, save your time and free your hands. Very safe and eco-friendly. Miss Raza plug holders. Are you bored of messy plug cords? After you use the plug hooks, you'll get a clean and tidy home immediately. Swivel knife block holder. Multifunctional kitchen tool holder comes with divided compartments to store and organize your knives, spoons, and other utensils. A cup box plastic container. The material is high-end plastic. Thickened material, 0.5 kilogram storage with large capacity. The grain box is manufactured with high-end plastic material, which is proof, airtight, and specially designed with proof function, sealing, and safe. Keep the storage things S. Vegetable fruit storage containers. These produce storage container all come with adjustable foldable partitions for classified storage. Can store most types of fruits and vegetables such as lettuce, cabbage, strawberry, blueberry, and so on, which brings in space-saving, clean, and not odor. Skimmer strainer spoon with filter hole design. It can effectively filter out water and oil. Convenient for you to drink soup without eating too much grease and soup slag. Pizza storage container. Keep your pizza slices fresher and longer. Each pizza pack container features an optional air vent to reduce condensation and prevent you from experiencing the dreaded soggy slice syndrome. Perfect for storing leftover pizza. Without a box taking up the whole shelf, features an easy-to-open flip-top lid. Dip clip bowl plate holder. Say goodbye to messy cleanups. Scoop sauce containers are made with food-grade plastic that's a breeze to clean, whether you wipe them down or pop them in the dishwasher. Enjoy your dips and sauces without any hassle.